This brand is made in America by Trane Technologies and is backed by a good guarantee, but they are only sold by factory-authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The multi-position air handlers feature all-aluminum coil construction which resists corrosion. The M Series TEM4 models are basic air handlers with a fixed speed blower and TXV refrigerant controls, while the TEM6 has a variable speed blower and the TEM8 models have communicating ability so that they can talk to the other parts of the HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The Hyperion Series GAM5 models feature state-of-the-art electronic expansion valve refrigerant control with a standard fixed-speed blower motor, while the TAM9 models have variable speed blowers with communicating ability, and the TAMX models feature built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. The Hyperion series models all feature epoxy-coated refrigerant coils and double-walled cabinets which ensure quiet, energy-efficient performance, while minimizing airborne dust and condensation that can cause mold and mildew. The P Series models are modular air handlers with variable speed blower motors and 120-volt wiring so that they can easily replace a gas furnace. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.